How to change the type of display colors that your Google Pixel phone has with Android 15, as well as enable the motion smoothness to go up to 90 Hertz. All right, so I'll show you where to go to find these two features, and let's do it. With Android 15, go ahead and use the quick access, pull it down at least twice to get into the settings toggle right here. Once you reach in this section here, go down some more until you see display right there. And as you enter into the main display settings, you will go down and look for the color section, and you'll see colors right here. Once you enter, you're going to have the two options, and one of them is going to either be natural, which will just give you the original colors of whatever it is that you are viewing, or the adaptive, which you notice will get a bit on the vibrant and slightly brighter, which would be your default option. And it's just these two settings that you have, nothing else. Now, as you come out of here, you want to go all the way down to the bottom where it says smooth display. This is going to increase most of the apps, not every one of them, to 90 Hertz. All right, so it depends on your model. This one goes up to 90. And with it turned off, everything is just going to be set to 60 as the usual. So if you want some increased smooth display, turn this on, but it does tell you that it will use some battery life, like increase in some battery usage, just so you know. And you can turn this off at any given time, like and sub.